This is the Classic Masonry Fireplace Door by Hearthcraft for masonry fireplaces. The clean look of this traditional style replacement fireplace door has a unique filigree design above and below the doors to hide the dampers. The Classic Masonry has two different door options to choose from: trackless bifold and cabinet doors. Trackless bifold doors have two panes of glass in each door that allow them to fold in half when opened, taking up minimal space. Here's an example of how cabinet or twin doors open in a different Hearthcraft door, the Slimline. Notice how each door has one large piece of glass. The 3/16" tempered safety glass is covered by a 1-year warranty. The door glass is available in the 3 tints displayed here: clear, gray, and bronze. As a safety reminder, always keep the doors open when burning a fire. The high heat can discolor the finish and shatter the tempered safety glass. Included with the Classic Masonry door are pre-installed sliding black mesh curtains. The steel mainframe of the Classic Masonry is 3 inches wide and 1.5 inches deep. The Classic Masonry is more flexible than our other doors because it lacks an inner frame, so it needs to be installed against a flat surface to remain sturdy and secure. The Classic Masonry door shown here is 40 1/8 inches wide and 24 7/8 inches tall. But this door can be custom sized to your specification to fit any masonry fireplace. The door is available in flat, black, and 3 plated finishes: antique brass, polished brass, and satin nickel. The Classic Fireplace Door is an overlap fit door only. It comes fully assembled with all mounting hardware included. Remember, overlap doors need a hearth to sit on to support the frame and won't work with hole-in-the-wall fireplaces. Outfit your fireplace today with the Classic Masonry Fireplace Door by Hearthcraft.